A very good morning, class 12th. After such a long time, I'm putting a video for you. And we are going to, I am starting with the ecology chapter, right? That is our chapter name, Organisms and Populations. And you can revise with me, you can make your notes, you can we will definitely solve questions from this chapter, right? So this chapter will help you to understand the organism and population in a more interesting way, right? I am trying to make it more simpler because many of my students, they are finding it little bit a difficult one. So I'm trying to write them in the easy one so that you can understand in the better terms. So you can learn it with me and you can revise it with me from the your NCRT also. So because this is a chapter of ecology, as I told you, so ecology term should be clear to every one of you first. Ki now we are entering into the another part of biology. It is a itself is a very wide part, that is the ecology. It is that branch of biology which deals with different interactions among the or relationship between the organisms, as well as the relationship between the organism with their physical environment. So now you can understand that how vast, how big this a particular branch is. So it is a branch of biology in which we are going to talk about the different interactions between the organisms, as well as the organisms interaction with their environment. I hope the ecology term is clear to you. Now the chapter's name is organism and population. When we start with studying the science, we always start with the micro or macro molecules, and then we say that the basic unit of life is cell, and then cells, they are arranged into tissues, then tissues are arranged into organs, and organs combine to form the organ system. This is one level of organization, and it is a very low level of organization. Once the from the organ system organism is made, now organism is formed, right? Organism is formed. Now our chapter, we are moving ahead from the organisms. So ahead from the organism matlab now we are going to, means now we are going to combine the organisms, right? Organisms of particular species combine together to form a population. That is what is our chapter is about, both organism and population. It is a higher level of organization. From the organism, higher level starts, right? Population, many populations together form the community. And when communities deals with the abiotic factors, then they form the ecosystem, and large ecosystem, they form the biome, and biomes come together to form the biosphere. So organism, population, community, ecosystem, biome, these are the higher level of organization, out of which organism is the base of this organization, or I will say, like it is a lowest level, it is the lowest of ecology organization. So this is the ecological hierarchy, and in this hierarchy, organism is at the lowest and biosphere is at the highest one. So this hierarchy you need to understand for understanding the ecology, that organisms, they are forming the higher level of organization, the base of the higher level, and they combine organisms of particular species, they combine to form the population form the community interact with the abiotic factor and form the ecosystem form the biome, and finally biosphere. So what is because our chapter's name is organism, तो organism होता क्या है, organism क्या है? इट इज़ अ लिविंग कॉम्पोनेंट डेफिनेटली. ये आपके इन्वायरमेंट में, इन द इन्वायरमेंट देयर आर two types of components which are observed. What are those components in the observed in the environment? Living and non-living. Am I right? Living components are called biotic and non-living components, they are non-biotic, or you call them as the abiotic also. So organism is living component of the environment. So living component of the environment at individual level is known as organism. And in this chapter we will talk about the interaction of living organism with it, different organism, means biotic as well as abiotic factors. Which kind of abiotic factors we are going to talk about in this chapter? Temperature, we will talk about how it affect water, we will see about light, we will talk about soil. Then biotic factor in which the interaction is between the living organism, मतलब living organism का आपस में कैसा interaction है, that comes in the biotic factors. This can be predation and prey, parasitism, one lives in the other body, pathogenic, how they affect the one other, competition. So these are very important biotic factors depending on which an organism survives, right? So abiotic factor, that is the whole story of this chapter actually. Abiotic factors mein we are going to discuss temperature, water, light and soil. And in the biotic factors we are going to talk about predation and parasitism, pathogens and the competition one. Organism, always remember, as I told you, that organism is the smallest level of ecological hierarchy. And if you ask me, ma'am, then what is population? Population इन सारे organisms को, सारे individuals को इकट्ठा कर दो of a particular species. Sum total of all the individuals of a species, they form a population, right? नाउ क्वेश्चन, बहुत बार क्वेश्चन आता है दिमाग में कि ये स्पीशीज़ क्या है. ह्यूमन बींग्स, होमो सेपियंस, सेपियंस इज अ स्पीशीज, राइट? tigers have a different species, lions, they have different species, right? So every group of individuals of one or more population which resemble each other and which can interbreed with each other, that is known as species. Means ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि होमो सेपियंस लाइन्स के साथ interbreed करते हैं. No, होमो सेपियंस is a different species. Means group of individuals of one or more population. It can be Alwar population, it can be West Bengal population, but they are very closely same species, so they can interbreed with each other, right? So species is those group of individuals of one or more population जो कि आपस में तो resemble करते हैं and they can interbreed with each other. So community, when we say community, means when now all the populations of different species, they present in an area and interact among cells, right? When like plant community, different species, plant community may there will be different species of plants, they will come, they will interact with each other, right, in a common area. And then animal, different species of animals live in a forest, they come interact with among each other. Microbes, different insects, so their interaction with each other, that leads to the community, that form a community of microbes, community of animals, community of plants, right? So group of all population of different species, they can, when they present in an area and they interact among themselves. Ecosystem, now ecosystem होता है कि जब आपके बायोटिक पे तो पहले ही थे, पॉपुलेशन कम्युनिटी तो पहले ही थी, नाउ दे इंटरैक्ट विद द एबायोटिक इन्वायरमेंट ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर एरिया. सिंपल वर्ड्स में कैसे बोलेंगे इकोसिस्टम क्या है? इंटरेक्शन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म अमंग देमसेल्व्स and with the abiotic factor that makes the ecosystem. And last is the biome, large unit of environment which has the maximum or major vegetation, जैसे कि aquatic biome है, we have grasslands, we have forest biome. That is a large big unit of environment. It forms the biome. And biosphere, when all these ecosystems, when biotic and abiotic world collectively interact, then it is all the ecosystems, they interact together, they collectively known as biosphere. It can be lithosphere, which has the rocky part, which can be atmosphere, it can be hydrosphere, right? So these are the levels of hierarchy and the terminology in the ecology. इसके बिना ecology समझ में नहीं आएगी. If you still not understood what is community, you will not be able to understand then the further parts. So make yourself very clear with the terms कि community क्या है. community में जबकि different species साथ में रहती हैं. प्लांट की सारी स्पीशीज, मैंगो ट्री भी आपने देखा होगा, नीम भी देखा है साथ में, देन यू हैव मस्ट हैव सीन वाइल्ड प्लांट्स टुगेदर, दे ऑल फॉर्म अ प्लांट कम्युनिटी, राइट? सो दीज काइंड ऑफ टर्म्स प्लीज गो थ्रू देम वेरी क्लियरली. एंड नेक्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट विद द abiotic factors revision, as well as we will take important question from this part.